Hi there, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video you will learn how you can make money by promoting affiliate products using the native ads on AdBlade. So let's dive in.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.
Alright, here we are at the dashboard of the Deberoo tracker, and in this video you will learn how you can make money by promoting affiliate products using the native ads on AdBlade. So we have quite a lot to discuss, so let's dive straight in. And first I want to show you the offer that we're going to promote today. So today's offer is coming from AdCombo, and it is the Bento Lit offer, a diet weight loss offer. And it's using the active ingredient volcanic clay, which is quite interesting. And we're going to promote this in Peru, all right? So this offer is available for multiple geos, but in this case we're going to promote it in Peru. And the payout is $11, and it is a cash on delivery flow, okay? So let's go to the Deberoo tracker and prepare our tracker for the launch of our campaign today. So first we want to make sure that we have the affiliate network added to our tracker. So I already have AdCombo, but in case you don't, or in case you're working with another affiliate network, adding the affiliate network is very easy. Simply click on Create and then on Affiliate Network. And then from this list, select AdCombo. And then press next, and everything is already pre-filled out, so you don't have to change anything. All you have to do is select your workspace and click on save, okay? Once you've done that, it's time to also add the traffic source. So once again, I already have AdBlade in here, which means that I don't have to add it again for any future AdBlade campaigns, including this one. But in case you don't have AdBlade in your tracker just yet, click on Create and click on Traffic Source, and then AdBlade is somewhere in the list, I think. Let's check. No, AdBlade is not in the list. So that means that you would have to use the custom traffic source as shown right here, and then press next and ask for your to your affiliate manager for the parameters that AdBlade uses. So just contact your account manager at AdBlade and ask them for the parameters, fill them out here and select your workspace, and then you're good to go. Alright, once you've done that, it's time to add the offer to our tracker. So we're going to go to the Offers tab and we're going to press Create Offer. And first I want to select the workspace as well as the affiliate network, which is AdCombo, and the country tag, which is Peru. Alright, and then we want to give this offer a name, so let's just copy this. Okay, so Bento Lit, that's fine. Okay, paste it in there. Alright, I like to have the affiliate network in there as well. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay, AdCo, that's fine, I'll remember that. And then we have the offer URL, so let's go to AdCombo and we're going to get our tracking URL. So the tracking URL inside of AdCombo changes depending on the offer page and landing page that you choose, okay? We are going to host our landing page ourselves, so we're going to use no pre-landing. Please don't get confused. The pre-landing in AdCombo refers to the landing page, and the landings in AdCombo refers to the offer page, okay? So we're going to select no pre-landing, and then we have 3 different offer pages we can choose from, so let's check them out. So this is number 1, this is number 2, totally different flow. And this is number 3. So you want to select the one that best fits in your flow. For now, let's use this one right here. So the first one. So then what I'll do is I'll just select the first one, and then we can copy the tracking link, because depending on your choice right here, the link will slightly change every time. So we're going to use this one right here. I'm going to copy it and paste it in here. And then at the end of your offer URL, you want to add this parameter shown below, okay? So I'm going to copy this parameter, but before I paste it at the end of my offer URL, first I want to enter a question mark, and then I can paste in my parameter, all right? So that's all good. Let's press save, and then we have created the offer for today. Next up is the landing page. So like I said, we're going to host our landing page ourselves. So I'm going to download this landing page as a zip file. And then we go into the Deberoo landing page builder, where you can not only create landing pages from the templates, but you can also upload zip files. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to be a Peruvian campaign, and we're going to call it Bento. There we go. Okay, and I like to have AdCombo in there so that I know where I got it from. We can drag in this zip file. And there we go. So now the editor is going to open up the landing page. This is it. All right. And we can change anything that we want, whether it's the pictures, the text, the call to action. We can change whatever we want. And once you're done creating your landing page, editing the landing page, then it's very important not to forget to add the destination URL. So when you click on page info, that's where you will find the destination URL field. And we're going to paste in our click URL here. To grab your click URL, you can grab it from the Deberoo tracker, click on your name and click on tracker settings, and then go to the tab tracking URLs. And that's where we will find the click URL. So I'm going to copy this click URL and paste it in here as the destination URL. Click on change links. The links have been updated, which means that now every clickable on the landing page will go to the click URL. And now we're going to publish this website so that we have our landing page URL. There we go. Our landing page is now live, as you can see. So I'm going to copy this landing page URL. And then we go back into the Deberoo tracker and we're going to create our lander element. So create a new element, lander. We're going to select the workspace first. Next up is the country tag, which is Peru. And let's give this lander a name. Pentolit, AdCombo. If you want to split test, I would call this lander 1, for example, but in this case, we don't need to. Then right here we have the lander URL, so we can just paste it in there and then we're good to go. So let's press save. And now that we have not only added the affiliate network and the traffic source, but also the offer and the landing page, it's now time to create our campaign. First, we're going to create the campaign inside the tracker. Then we're going to create our campaign inside of AdBlade. And of course, we're also going to create our ads inside of AdBlade. So let's do this. Let's go to the campaigns tab and we're going to create a new campaign. I'm using the tracking simple format. Let's select the traffic source as well as the country tag. And let's give this campaign a name. Pentolit, AdCombo. I'm leaving the cost model set on auto and then the transition between ad and campaign funnel. So when the user clicks on an ad and lands on the landing page, do you want that to be a direct or a redirect transition? I'm going to go with redirect here. Then we have the campaign destination. So you have the option to create a path inside a pre-saved flow, or you can create your path right here, which is what I'm going to do. So the path destination, landers and offers, and the transition from the landing page to the offer page, I want that to be a 302. We're going to add one lander and one offer because we created those, right? If you want to split test, you can add multiple right here, but we're going to keep it with one lander and one offer. Okay, we select the two, both the landing page and the offer page that we have created, and let's press save. Alright, so now our tracker is all set up and ready to go, ready for the launch of this campaign. And we now have our campaign URL. So I'm going to copy this campaign URL because we're going to need it when we're moving over to AdBlade. And that moment is right now. So let's go to the AdBlade dashboard and we're going to create a new ad, which is how they call their campaigns. My session has timed out, so I'm going to log in real quick so that we can get started with our campaign. Here we go. Ad type is the news bullets, so that's how they call their native ads. Platform, AdBlade, network, desktop, mobile, or tablet. Let's say we want to do desktop. Let's give this campaign a name, Peru, Pentolit, AdCombo. There we go. Then we have the short description. So this is already the description of the ad, basically the title, the short description, and then we also have a long description. So let's see. Volcanic clay melts fat. An incredible okay, there we go. An incredible research has shown that volcanic clay will melt fat like crazy without exercise. I knew I was going to misspell that. Okay, there we go. Awesome. All right. Then we have the destination URL. So this is going to be your campaign URL that we just copied from the tracker. There we go. Then we have the advertiser's domain. So this is just going to be benzolit.com. Why not? Doesn't matter that much. Then we have the display name, so the name that will be shown to the users. So let's see. Volcanicresearch.com. Something like that. Okay, there we go. Awesome. Then we have a large image and a small image, which is optional and works basically like a logo. So the small image is 82 by 82, and the large image 1200 by 900. So let's open up Canva, and we're going to start with 82 or 84. What did I say? 82. Okay, so 82 by 82. There we go. And then we also want 1200 by 900. There we go. Let's start with the logo. Cool volcano logo. I don't know. Let's see if we can find something that looks cool. This one would have been dope if we didn't have that logo text. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can find something else. Yeah, so quite some cool logos actually. Ooh, I like this one as well. Oh, these are two. Maybe we can do this. Let's save this image, and then we're going to go over to the Canva design, the small design, and I am going to upload the image that we just downloaded, and then we're going to do like this. However, I'm going to crop it myself because that right one looks dope, or the left one looks dope as well. We're going to use the left one instead. I was about to use the light one. All right, let's see. That's somewhat in the middle. Cool, dope. Let's download this. That looks fancy. All right, cool. So let's see. That is the one. Okay. Please confirm ownership. That's fine. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right, select from PC. Okay, there we go. Image is uploaded. Now we just need our main image. So let's see. Erupting volcano. That's exactly what we want. All right, we don't want it to look too scary. I like this. This looks pretty dope. But maybe we can get something more shockingly. Oh, that's intense. That's really intense. Is it coming from the volcano or is it like a thunderstorm? I don't know. But it looks cool. Whoops. I really like this one. It catches a lot of attention. Let's try to use this. So you don't want to scare away. Ooh, it's a web page. Too bad. You don't want to scare away the audience, of course. So you don't want to go too extreme where the first reaction might be, ooh, I'm in danger. All right. However, we do want to create a bit of curiosity, and we want to catch attention. So we want to have an image that does that, right? That's bright, that will catch a lot of attention. That's a real scroll stopper. I'm going to put the contrast up a bit and the saturation as well to catch more of that attention, to make it a little bit more brighter and more popping. There we go. That looks good. Let's download this. And then we go back inside of AdBlade and upload it. It might be too big in terms of file size, but we'll see. That's what I thought. Okay, so let's download it as a JPEG then, which is a smaller file size. So if you ever struggle with the size of your file, then you can always decide to move over to JPEG, and now it should work. There we go. Awesome, that looks pretty cool. Then we have the CPA goals. So right here you can enter your CPA or CPL goal if you want, it's optional. And then we have the scheduling, which is also optional. I'm going to start without scheduling because I want to run 24/7 so that I generate data for every single day of the week and every single hour of each day. But later on, I might want to use the schedule if I find out that specific hours or specific days don't perform well. Okay, but I'm not going to start out with the scheduling. And then we have the international targeting. So we are going to promote this product in Peru. Let's see if Peru is in the list. It's actually not. So let's check. Oh, nope. I don't want to do this. Okay, so they don't have others. Yeah, I don't know what we are going to promote when we click on others. So in this case, I should have done a little bit more research. I didn't know there wasn't any traffic in Peru on AdBlade, but that's good to know, right? So then in that case, we might want to move over to a different country. We can still use the same offer if we want, but it's just not possible in Peru. So then we would go, if we search for Bentolit, we could go with another country, okay? So for example, we could go with Italy, all right? Of course, then you would change your landing page, offer page, etc., etc. But for now, we're gonna go with it. All right. So then we would select Italy. There we go. And then we have the ads, so you can get other ads that you have created before in this campaign as well. Might be useful if you have a similar campaign that performed really well and you want to use the same ads. For now, let's skip it. Display ads to users located in the following locations. None. It's also optional, so we can't do anything here. Then we have the targeting options. We can use retargeting or we can use DMP targeting, but we're going to keep it on none. And then we have the bidding options. So we can choose between cost per click and so CPC and cost per mile or cost per 1,000 impressions. So the CPM. If you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, I recommend using the CPM. But if you're more experienced and you know what you're doing, then you might prefer CPC. But it still depends per affiliate, and you really want to know how these bidding options work before you give them a shot. Ready to go live. So when you select yes, then your campaign will go live as soon as the AdBlade team has confirmed it and reviewed it. And when you select no, it will stay paused until you hit that launch button. And then let's press create ad. And now our ad should be created, but we made an error somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, right here. We didn't fill in a bit. I'm sorry. That's my bad. Okay, so let's upload those images again. I think it's that one. Pretty small one. Image uploaded, and the JPEG for the large one. All right, cool. Yep, that should do it. Let's create it. All right, so now we have created our campaign inside of AdBlade, and it will go live either immediately after the verification, at your scheduled start date, or it will stay paused until you hit that launch button when you're completely 100% ready. All right, so you now know how you can promote affiliate products, in this case an affiliate product from AdCombo, by promoting those on the native ads on AdBlade. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the Deberoo channel if you want to stay up to date about any new videos coming out on the Deberoo channel. All right. That's going to be it for this one, but I will catch you on the next video. And until then, peace out.
This video is brought to you by Deberoo.com, the #1 affiliate marketing software platform.